Beb, what did you eat?
Celery and hummus. And it's pretty good. Big celery for a change.
Oh, si celery. Oh, naku kayo. Naku kingkin celery ba na no? Here too. Nara pa. Here. Nagkakasiliri ba no? Ayan, lami kayo dad. Lami kayo no?
Mami.
Eh, kumain din ako ng celery. Di ko pa naubos. Ano yun? Ayan yung sa akin. Lami. Ano?
You know something?
That's that. What's that? It's a hummus, guys. Ayan. Ay. Ala. Ayan. May hummus na tayo, guys. Ayan ta. Alright.